Ever been on an important call, only to be interrupted by a second incoming call, leaving you unsure of how to proceed? Don't let call limitations hinder your connectivity. Today, we'll guide you through enabling call waiting on your Android device, allowing you to manage multiple conversations effortlessly and never miss a critical call. Begin by opening your phone app. Locate and tap on the three vertical dots, typically situated in the top right corner of the screen, to access the main menu. Within this menu, select Settings to enter your calling preferences. Navigate to the Calling Accounts section. This might be labeled differently depending on your device's manufacturer. If you have multiple SIM cards, choose the one for which you wish to activate call waiting. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Scroll down until you find the call waiting option, which may be within a submenu like Additional Settings. Tap on it. Tap the toggle switch next to call waiting to enable it. The switch will change color, indicating that call waiting is now active. Congratulations, call waiting is now active on your Android phone. You'll now hear an alert when another call comes in. While you're already on a call, you can then choose to put the current call on hold to answer the new one, or simply ignore it. This feature ensures you remain connected and in control of your communications, making it easier to manage important calls. Stay connected, stay informed.